Welcome back again to Smart Up Your Life. Okay, back to with brother Tekla. Okay, I start in here now. Okay, I want to ask for you, what social media platform you spend your time?
Okay, so what social media do I use the most?
Yes.
Okay, so what I use the most is TikTok and Twitter.
Oh, TikTok. Are you TikTokers?
No, I just enjoy the content, the funny content.
Oh,
because
just
I
enjoy. I think you have many followers in TikTokers.
No, I have only 2 followers.
Wow, I am proceeded then. Okay.
They are only
okay.
my friends.
Okay. Okay. Could you tell about this platform like TikTok?
Okay, so I said that before. I use TikTok and Twitter the most. Well, I use TikTok the most because every time I open it.
Every time?
No, but every time I open it.
Okay,
Yeah.
really enthusiastic.
Nah, every time I open TikTok,
Okay.
I always see comedy or funny content, and that's really amuse me, because it makes me happy if I see something funny.
Okay.
And-
Yes. Me too.
And for the Twitter, just the same reason as TikTok, but the difference is TikTok provide me the funny content in video, while in Twitter they provide funny tweets or funny texts,
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why I always open TikTok and Twitter every day. So thank
Okay,
you.
same with me. TikTok have many funny moments. Okay, how about you? What kind of social media you use the most?
Okay,
Okay, just
okay.
on your
I
mic.
think the social media I spend as much time is Facebook, Instagram, and the WhatsApp, because the 3 application for me is important, because when I open my social media, especially Facebook, I am focused for share, upload
Share and upload.
my product, because I always
What
believe-
kind of product do you upload?
product is drink
Oh,
and the
drink
food.
product. Wow, that's
Yes.
good.
Okay, the Facebook always help me when I want buyer. Facebook always provide the feature interest for a lot of especially especially for entrepreneur early. Social media is very important for a lot of people. Thanks.
Okay. Brother Tekla, the TikTokers, and also have many Facebookers. Okay. How about Sister Annie? Are you TikTokers too, or Facebookers too? Okay, could you tell me what kind of platform do you use the most?
Okay, if you are asking about what social media that I use the most,
Yes.
of course, it is WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay.
Why is that so?
Just for chat
Yeah.
person.
I have many
teacher.
group.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
I have
okay.
many business in
business.
WhatsApp. I mean, something that actually my activity and my my social life, it's coming from the WhatsApp. Like I have many groups and chat. It's actually coming from the person that actually directly interact to me in social life, my social life. But the second platform that I use the most, it's actually Instagram.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because actually, if we're talking about social media, it's actually always show us the something that actually we have most interact with that.
Okay.
If we actually like food, and we always scrolling like a food. The food actually, the social media will recognize that and show us always the food in our if YP, for example, in the TikTok, if in Instagram, like there's always something like that also. And I like to see like content like in Muslim, for example, or the thing that actually I love to see, like the brand, the product that's coming from the Instagram. So that's the two platforms that I use the most for.
Yes, for sell products, really important for social media enthusiastic. Yes. Okay. How about Sister Tanri? You Facebookers too, or Instagrammable?
So it's same with Sister Aini. So the social media that I use is Instagram and WhatsApp. So because our activity and our social in WhatsApp.
Yes.
So and also Instagram. Instagram. Why I open Instagram? The most application that I use is Instagram. So why? Because I search my skill in Instagram or search something that I really need for my life. Instagram. So once again, like platform education and also a webinar. It's all of platform education, so I need it.
Okay,
that's all
Instagram
about.
also. Okay, talk about social media enthusiastic. So many people want to be famous with social media enthusiastic, like Instagram. They can have many followers because their content. Okay, I want to ask again for Brother Tekla, how you see that the phenomena like this? Many people now in millennial era, so instant popular, instant famous just because social media. Like in TV now, like itu yang to how to say show fashion show.
Citayam Fashion Week.
Yes, yes. How you see that phenomenon like this? Yes, so instant way to being popular just because social media.
So if you say instant popular or instant popularity in social media, it's actually good for their own.
Okay.
Okay, so and also talking about the phenomena in SCBD or SCBD,
Yes.
that Citayam Fashion Week.
Wow.
Well, I think their activity is kind of disturbing every night because they use the trottoir and the street, and they are really crowded. Well, it's actually disturb the driver or everyone who use transportation in there, and
Okay.
that's why I think if you talk about their instant popularity,
Yes.
it's good for them. It's good for them, but their activity in the road or the street is not. I cannot tolerate that.
Why?
As I said before, it's disturbing the
Okay.
people on the street, especially who use the transportation.
Yeah, sometimes have negative impact also.
Yeah, because they are really crowded.
You have plenty want to be popular because viral. You might do something.
For right now, not yet. Probably not yet.
Okay.
Wallahu alam, probably.
Okay. That's a good opinion. Okay, back to again with Brother Agung. Okay, you look now about viral content or instant popular, instant famous just because someone being viral because of they take a picture of you. How can you define it about this phenomena?
Okay. Until during I look social media, I have opinion for the instant popular is when someone instant popular. So this is
Okay, just say in Bahasa. It's okay, no
Okay.
problem.
okay. Instant popular is, I think when someone instant popular, so akan fast stopping in the and have not continue for the pekerjaan itu Kak. Kayak misalnya kayak stopping in the instant popular have not next career. Stop.
Okay, that's a good opinion. But moreover, I see that they become artists and also go to movie artists. How about this?
Okay. I think when someone as artist, so they have potential, not instant popular. This is not instant popular in the right now. Is viral because for example, a thrifty in the motorcycle for stand the motorcycle is the very instant popular. Not is the artist, for example, because artists have a characteristic in the difference can meniru gaya Kak gitu.
Okay. That's a good opinion from Brother Agung. Okay, back to again with my sister in here. Okay, same question for you. How you see that the phenomenon now? Many like also in fashion show in Jakarta, yes, and or they want to make sensational just for viral. How you define it this?
Okay, something that actually we call the temporary famous, right?
Yes.
But we see in the past many kind of an artist, but actually their name is up at the time, but directly down. Also,
Yes.
like Norman Kamaru, for example.
Oh,
Yeah, Chaya dulu.
yes. I remember that. I remember that.
It's actually the famous thing that I ever see and heard, but it's actually directly down at the time also. So if we are talking about social media enthusiastic person that actually always looking for something that make they can be seen or become famous, for example, if they are admin.
Yes.
I think the person who do that, they have to be have the capability, also be wise on using social media, because sometimes it's going to be bad or harm the other. For
Yes.
example, we say there is a content creator that give charity for the poor people, but actually the thing that in the box is actually the rubbish.
Yes.
So it harm and hurt the person who actually accept the charity. It's only make just for fun, for make people more be how to say notice them.
Yes.
But actually it's very bad content, right? It's make the message of for the people and outside
Yes.
that the poor people can be make as a funny thing, but it's actually bad, right? If we are talking about Chitayam Fashion Week, it's actually have noticed in Japan. Did you ever?
Wow.
Yes. So I think there's two sides of that. It's good things for people actually. The Chitayam Fashion Week, something that exists for people. The how to say the young people the young people in the Chitayam that actually how to say can feel the euphoria of the big city,
Yes.
right? Actually they coming from the many background, maybe coming from the poor people also.
Yes.
But they can feel the how to say the feeling of the big city, right? They feel they use the how to say the interactive fashion for make them can be more famous at the time. I think it's good, but the bad things they explain from the Katekla, it's actually how to say disrupt the other people. Yeah, because in the middle of night they still give the how to say disrupt the sounds of them.
Yes, and I see they still children, right?
Yeah.
Or young people.
Yeah, young people.
Yes, in the middle of night, I think. Yes.
It's not a good example for us actually for the young people.
Have a good also and a little bit bad also.
Yeah.
Okay. How about Sister Tenri? About phenomena right now, about social media enthusiastic phenomena right now.